it bright. Fabric brings the tools in sight. Collect the data, shape the stream, turn raw facts into a team. OneLake is the common zone. Lakehouse gives the data home. Files for raw and tables clean. Delta keeps the changes seen. Lakehouse flow, let the data go. Ingest, store, transform, then show. Spark it up, let notebooks run. Batch or stream till the work is done. Pipelines copy step by step, moving data where it's kept. Shortcuts point without a clone. See more sources from one home. Notebooks mix the code and notes. Python, R, Scala floats. Clean it, prep it, test the frame. Transform the tables name by name. Spark job definitions right. Batch and streaming side by side. Input, output, settings clear. Run the logic, fabric steers. The Lakehouse flow, let the data go. Ingest, store, transform, then show. Spark it up, let notebooks run. Batch or stream till the work is done. Environments, tune the spark. Runtime libraries, compute spark. Attach the job or notebook to, so each workload gets its view. SQL endpoint, ask the tables. Powered by makes insight able. From delta rows to charts that glow. That's the fabric data flow. OneLake, Lakehouse, spark in motion. Pipelines moving like an ocean. Shortcuts point and delta knows. Fabric data engineering flow.